welcome back to 504 Road Trips. Today we continue our journey on US Highway 11 North, beginning at Virginia Mile 155 in the census-designated place of Hollins, a suburb of Roanoke. Our weather has held up pretty well to this point, but now it's starting to get dark and we're seeing some raindrops starting to fall. But for now it's not too bad. As of the 2020 census, Hollins has a population of 15,574. It's situated in the region commonly referred to as North County, primarily located in northeastern Roanoke County, but extending into Botetourt County as well. Hollins is notable for being the location of Hollins University, which is one of the oldest women's higher education institutions in the United States. Throughout most of Hollins, US 11 utilizes a shared center-left turn lane. enter Botetourt County, still in the CDP of Hollands. The county is nestled between the Ridge and Valley Appalachian Mountains and the Blue Ridge Mountains. Upon its creation, Botetourt County included the southern portion of West Virginia and all of present-day Kentucky. The county currently has an area of 541 square miles and a population of 33,576 as of the 2020 census. With convenient access to the Jefferson National Forest, the Appalachian Trail, and the Blue Ridge Parkway, Botetourt County offers a fantastic setting for outdoor enthusiasts. Additionally, the county hosts various exciting events and celebrations throughout the year. Notable annual gatherings include Troutville Trail Days in early June and the Beaver Dam Farm Sunflower Festival in September. We enter the unincorporated community of Cloverdale with a population of 3,410 as of the 2020 census. Cloverdale holds the distinction of being the birthplace of Charles Follis, the pioneer who broke barriers as the first African-American professional football player. In 1904, he made history by signing with the Shelby Blues. We reach a junction with US 220 and I-81 and the terminus of US 220 alternate, all in a big interchange that connects two parallel highways with one cross highway in a combined partial cloverleaf, partial diamond roundabout. See the diagram for that to make any sense. We'll conclude here at mile 161. Thanks for watching. We've enabled channel memberships, so for as little as $1 a month, you too can help support our channel and get early access to our regular videos as well as the occasional members-only video. Click the link in the description to join. If you liked this video, please give us a thumbs up, post a comment, subscribe, share and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.